Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First up, a look at the headlines. CM announces 2.5 rupees subsidy on milk, 75% subsidy on milk equipments, restructures luxury tax. Parrikar tells government to regulate mining, says he will support government's efforts to curb pressure on infrastructure due to mining. Panaji Corporation stops tree cutting carried out for expansion of Kala Academy. Parrikar tells Academy to take locals into confidence first. GPL 4th round produces drawn matches. Dempo Cricket Club continue to lead. Sarvodaya are second in the league. And Ashley Gomes overjoyed after his appointment on the FMSCI motocross panel. Plans to give back to Goa by promoting safe riding for youngsters. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath made it amply clear that trucks plying for mining business will have to be registered with the Transport Department and get a special coupon for transporting mineral ore. CM also announced special benefits for marginal milk farmers by providing them subsidy of 2.5 rupees per litre up to 100 litres of production per day.
Every truck registered with the Directorate of Transport, if they want to apply for mining business, will have to be registered with the Director of Mines and get a special coupon or the special pass for transporting mineral ore. With this, we can control the incoming trucks for the mining purpose. Even the new trucks which are registered under the Directorate of Transport need not be registered by the Directorate of Mines if the roads are not capable of taking this load. After presenting my budget for the year 2011-12, I have been receiving a lot of representation from milk farmers. Because in fact, some MLAs also raised that milk farmers were not given any benefit. To provide some benefits to the marginal milk producers, including incentives on the support price for milk. Having considered the demands and the need to encourage the milk production in the state, I wish to provide a subsidy of rupees 2.50 per litre of production up to 100 litres of production per day. Further, a system of providing the incentive directly to the farmers through electronic clearing system would be put in place and the amount provided directly in their bank accounts. I expect with this incentive, the Milk Producers Union shall reduce the milk prices or alternatively give a remunerative rate to the dairy farmers. As is seen, there is a huge gap between the rate per litre given to dairy farmer and the rate at which the milk is sold to the public. Speaker sir, further, I wish to provide a uniform subsidy of 75% to the farmers for milk production equipments. I mean milking machines which they require will also be entitled for 75% subsidy. This subsidy is enhanced from 30% to 75%.
A reporter from Assembly Lokik Shilkar, sub-editor Greta Menezes and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Opposition on Thursday asked the government to declare mining policy and kept the total quantity area-wise. He also asked action on overloading trucks. He also mentioned that there were some elements in the Excise Department manipulating import and export permit procedures to conduct illegal trade in the state.
But let us go for capacity capping. थंयच्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरची कॅपॅसिटी पळोवन कितले ट्रक चलपाचे हाजो निर्णय घेवया. कितले ट्रक चलपाचे, कितले रजिस्टर करपाचो हाजो निर्णय घे. तितले करशे जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी सोल्युशन येतलें. 100 कोटीचे मलमपट्टी म्हाका दिसना वील गिव द सोल्युशन. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका जर आयच्या सबंद हातूंच्यान जर मुख्यमंत्री ह्या विशयाचेर सिरियसली कितें करतलो जाल्यार एज अ ओपोजिशन आय प्रॉमीस हिम दीस इज वन इश्यू वेर आय वील नॉट डू पॉलिटिक्स. कसलेच पॉलिटिक्स न करता ह्या विशयाचेर कसल्याय पद्दतीचें समर्थन जॉयंट एक्शन प्लान करपाची म्हजी तयारी आसा स्पीकर सर. कारण लोकांचे हाल पळोवनूच हांव इतलेंच सांगता, गोंयचो हो रेप तुमी जसो सांगला तसो गोंयचो रेप थांबयात. 2009 सालान डिसेंबरान हांवें एलिगेशन केल्लें की there are scams in excise department and they have to be criminally investigated. It is clear that there are some elements, forces who are manipulating the import-export permit procedure and making use of the office of Commissioner of Excise to conduct illegal trade of such alcohol into the state. नशीब म्हणजे इतले तरी ताणें एडमीट केलें की इल्लिगॅलिटी आनी इल्लिगल इम्पोर्ट ऑफ अल्कोहोल इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन द स्टेट. हांवें डिसेंबरान हो विशय काडलो आनी 9 डिस्टिलरींचे कलेक्शन खटाखट वाडला. हांव वाचून दाखोवन हांव जी डिस्टिलरी 1 रुपया भरनासली 3,32,00,000 जानेवारी पासून सुरू जालें पेमेंट.
A reporter from Assembly Lokik Shilkar, sub-editor Greta Menezes and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The newly elected CCP Corporation has issued stop order for tree cutting and extension of Kala Academy. The expansion was proposed after cutting the surrounding trees at Kala Academy. This issue was also raised in the assembly by opposition leader Manohar Parrikar. He said that Kala Academy should have taken locals into confidence.
Kala Academy is going in for an expansion. The current parking lot of the academy is proposed for this. Management of Kala Academy has already started cutting trees. Some of the locals have opposed this move by the management. Corporator Kabir Pinto Makhija and some other locals gave out Secretary of the Kala Academy Pandurang Faldesai. They demanded stoppage of the work. Mayor Yatin Parekh was also present at the site. He informed media that corporation has issued a stop order to the proposed expansion.
I have already instructed Commissioner to stop the work. That's it. Thank you. The work will be stopped now. By 3 o'clock they will get a notice. They have to stop the work. That's it. I don't want to talk further.
Corporator Makhija says that first of all, parking space at Kala Academy is not sufficient and as such, this expansion will worsen the situation. He has appealed Panjikars to come out and oppose this expansion.
Our stand has been very clear from the beginning that we are totally opposed to this project. One, because of the cutting of trees, and two, because of the traffic congestion and the parking problems which are being created over here in Kala Academy on a day in and day out basis. So we are totally opposed to it, and so are the residents and the people of Panjim also should come out and support us in this thing and stopping this project that is happening out here.
Have a look at these trees. See the way they are being cut. But Pandurang Faldesai says that trees are not cut. He says that trees are uprooted and will be planted somewhere else.
जितली पळय रिप्लांट करपा सारकी आसा तितली आमी करपाचें अशें थरयिल्लें आनी आमी उतरय दिलें. एनसीपीचे लोक आयिल्ले तांकां आमी उतर दिलें तशें आनी उतर दिलें तशें आमी जितली पळय खणल्यात हें काडल्यात ती उंटी तितली आमी थंय व्हरून रोयल्यात.
This issue was also raised in the assembly by opposition leader and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar.
कला अकॅडमीन थंय एक्सपान्शनचो प्रोजेक्ट चालू जालो. स्थानीक कोणाकूच इंट्रस्टान घेवन ना, कोणाकूच कांयच खबर ना. कालच्यान कोणे तरी बुलडोजर लायलो आनी झाडां कचाकच कापपाक सुरू केलो. आयज रोमट एक्सपान्शन बंद. CCP has already stepped into the project.
A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamble with video journalist Sushant Pal.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.